Hemorrhoids are the devil, and I was cursed with them. Even though I was a pharmacist in St. Augustine, Florida, I couldn't keep hemorrhoids from ruining my life for the last 10 years. And believe me, I know all the products. I know all the tips. I tried them all. Nothing gave me lasting relief until I discovered an ancient healing recipe inside a monastery pharmacy. By the grace of God, this holy remedy completely healed my thrombosed hemorrhoids in 3 days. I went from having the most agonizing pain nobody ever wants to feel in the most sensitive areas, to experiencing absolute relief from the instant I used this remedy. The discomfort and pain disappeared with absolutely no surgery and no over-the-counter creams or prescription ointments. Plus, I had no more flare-ups. So if you're plagued by devil hemis, even if they are thrombosed, even if they come back again and again, I know this biblical discovery can give you instant and complete relief. It worked for me, and it has worked for over 140,000 folks from all over the world who were once in your shoes. The science proves it.